What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today we have a little bit of a different layout set up to the video today because I kind of want this. There's this kind of like a vibe or something like that. I'm not sure, but anyway, guys, I am so gassed up, so hyped because one of my subscribers actually reached out to me, sent me a full video of him unboxing a video, and I just want to give a shout out to him. His name is Wackass. Yeah, big shout out to him for sending me the video in. But yeah, guys, if you want to send me your videos of unboxing things like products and like phones, tablet, something to do with tech related, just let me know down in the comment section below. Tell me if that's something you guys are interested in. Send me that video and for me to feature it on my channel as well. I don't see any YouTuber doing this. So anyway, so let's try and blow this up. Let's try and make it a thing. So yeah, anyway, before I play the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell and like the video and share the video and comment down below. Tell me if you like the video. Anyway, guys, right, this video you're about to see right now is the most funniest unboxing video I've ever seen in my whole life and ever seen in the YouTube platform. So anyway, guys, you have to share this video and make it go viral because this video is so funny. It's unreal. Anyway, all I know is he's going to be unboxing a mouse. Don't know what mouse it is, but obviously you guys will know because I'll have to title the video that mouse as well. Anyway, guys, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the video and stop blabbing on because it's a funny video. Anyway, let's just get right into the video. I'm so gassed. I might watch it with you guys, I don't know, but let's do it.
Hi guys, my name is Emmanuel, aka Tech Monkey, aka yeah, I'm black. So today we get the G502 for you. My first impressions are, so the box is a little bit small, but yes, we can live with this. I've got my screwdriver. I do not have money for the, cutty. So let's make little cut here. Yeah, you see? You open it from here. See, maybe my next video I will get a knife. Yes, there we go. Yeah, blah blah blah. Advanced. It's got this something here, something here, something here, something here. Yes, G502 written here. We've got, what is this sticker? You want to put it on the windscreen, or I don't know what you do with this. This is I don't know. This is more shit. And oh wow, this is the mouse, guys. This is the mouse. Wow, look at it. It's beautiful, no? Okay, let's get it open. Oh wow, oh my god, guys. First of all, before I show you the mouse, let's see. This comes with the Logitech. I think this is the width. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yes, this is the width. So you put it underneath the mouse and you make it heavy, light, whatever you want to do, no problem. We have I don't know how this goes back in this bastard thing, no problem. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the I don't know what this is. This is instructions. Okay, and this is shit you don't need. Let's put it back in there. Okay, guys, what you've been waiting for? Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful, eh? No? Wow. Oh my god, this is, guys, this is marvelous. This is absolutely marvelous. Oh, I can really feel it. Oh yes, guys, I can really get used to this. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, this is beautiful. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, what is this? What is this bastard thing? Oh my god. Nice. Okay, anyways. Wow, guys, look at this braided cable, man. Logitech put a lot of money into this one, huh? Very nice. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's see, guys. This is meant to be the upgrade. Okay, so at the moment I will show you what I am using. Sorry about the mess. Okay, guys, look at this. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, guys, just look at this, man. Oh wow, wow guys. At the moment the mouse is a little bit light, but maybe I'll open this thing here and I'll put the weight and make it nice. Oh wow, wow, oh my god, wow. Yeah, this one feels a little bit bigger from the back, you know, from the bum bum. The bum bum area is nice and big, no problem. But the front on this one, oh wow. Yes, no problem. This is very nice. Okay, guys. This is your boy Tech Monkey, aka Emmanuel, aka I'm Black. Okay, guys, see you next week for the video. Thank you. Bye.
Anyway, guys, so as you can see, the video has played, and yeah, tell me if it was funny down in the comment section below, because I thought it was funny, 100%. I thought it was funny. I thought it was hilarious. Anyway, guys, that's the video, man. That's the video. I'm running out of ideas. Company needs to start sending me products so I can unbox and do videos and then review. But yeah, anyway, till that time, yeah, the video was a little bit boring. I don't know. Anyway, guys, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you want to tell me. If you like this video idea, let me know. Then I'll do a separate video with where you can send me in your videos and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.